According to an airline, flights on a certain route are on time 80% of the time. Suppose 17 flights are randomly selected and the number of on-flight times is recorded. So explain why this is a binomial experiment. Identify the statements that explain why this is binomial. So if we remember the conditions, experiment is performed a fixed number of times. That's one of the conditions. A has nothing to do with binomial. And each trial depends. Now we know trials are independent. There are two mutually exclusive outcomes. Yes, because either the flight will be on time or not on time. The probability of success is the same for each trial. Yes, for each flight, it's the same probability whether it's going to be on time or not. 80% for each flight. Okay, let's see what we... Oh, there were more downstairs. Okay. So F is there are three mutually no, there are two outcomes, and then the trials are independent. Yes. So we forgot about the independent, and it's just because we were not looking at the whole choice range. Okay. The probability that exactly 11 flights are on time. So now N is 17 because there are 17 total experiments, and little p is 0.8. And in part B, X will be exactly 11, so equal to 11. So 17.8 and 11. So let's open StatCrunch. Stats, calculator, binomial. So 17.8, 0.80, 80% on time and equal to 11. 0.068. 0.068. So if you do it 100 times, so you just multiply this by 100. So that would be 6.8, which rounds to 7. Fewer than 11 flights. So now you do fewer than 11, which means less than 11. So 0.0377. And again, if you do it by 100 times, so multiply by 100, so 3.77 rounds to 4. And then at least 11 means greater than or equal to 11. So you do greater than equal to 11. So 0.9623. Times 100, so 96.23 is 96 to the nearest integer. Between 9 and 11 flights inclusive. So there was also a between button there. So you do between 9 and 11 inclusive. So 9 and 11. So 0.1031. Times 100. So 10.31 is 10. Brand name has an 80% recognition rate if the owner wants to verify that rate by beginning with a small sample of 10 randomly selected consumers. Find the probability that exactly 8 of the 10 recognize the brand. So N is 10, X is 8, and P is 0.8. Go to standard, X is equal to 8, 0.302. Probability that the number who recognize the brand name is not 8. So see, those who, so if it's exactly 8, then it's 0.302, and not 8 is the complement of exactly 8. So you can do it by 1 minus the exactly 8 probabilities of 1 minus 0.302 is 0.698. So remember always that rule of an event and its complement adding to 1, that's always true.